In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable ad blocker in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right area of the browser toolbar. You will see the puzzle-shaped icon, which is the Extensions menu. Click on that puzzle icon to open the list of extensions. A small menu will appear, showing the extensions available in your browser. In that list, find your ad blocker extension. Depending on what you use, it may be called AdBlock or something similar. Once you find the ad blocker extension, click on it. From there, you will usually see an option to turn the extension off completely or an option to pause it only for the current website. If you want to stop blocking ads everywhere in Chrome, toggle the extension off. If you only want ads to appear on the site you are currently visiting, choose the option to pause on this site instead. This second option is useful if you want to keep your ad blocker active on most websites, but allow one trusted site to function properly. Many websites depend on ad-related scripts to display content, videos, login forms, or other page features, so pausing the blocker on one site can often solve loading or display issues without disabling the extension everywhere. That covers everything you need to know.